Hey guys, I just wanted to say that Hurricane Irene came through, and um, I lost power 2 days, like the day it hit, probably around 8:40 p.m. And then I didn't get, we didn't get power back until about 8:40 p.m. The day after it hit. So yeah, but I'm okay. Uh, okay, update. Okay, like I was thinking about cosplaying as Steel Phantom Hive from Black Butler, but I'm not sure if I should actually go through with it. So if you guys think I should, comment below. And also if I do cosplay as Steel Phantom Hive, I would need a Sebastian. Yeah, because I'm not going with anyone, and it'd be really cool if I could meet somebody there, meet a Sebastian, and just walk around the convention with them all day. Cause I mean, I kind of wanted to do Seal, but I'm not so sure because of the exquisite costume. Um, like so much detail and stuff and layers. I'm not really sure if I should do that, considering it's gonna be hot next year. And quick update, real quick. 332 days until Otakon 2012. I'm so psyched. I already bought Neko ears. They're black and white. It's black fur with like a white or like a really pale pink inside, but they're clip-in ears. They're not the ones with the band, because I was gonna use it with a light colored wig, and I didn't want the band to show. And plus it'd be more comfortable just to use the clips if I was gonna wear the cosplay all day. So yeah, and I got fake fur fabric from True Fabrics for my tail. I bought black for the main part and then white for the tip of the tail. I'm not going to say which cosplay I'm going to cosplay as when I use the ears and tail, because that's going to be a surprise until Otakon next year. But one thing I will say is if you guys want me to cosplay as Seal from Black Butler, let me know by either private message me or leave a comment below. And if I do, I would need a Sebastian. Well, I would like to have a Sebastian because, sorry about that. I would, yeah. So if I do, I would want to have a Sebastian so I can walk around with Sebastian all that day, the convention, because I have a feeling that I would get a lot more pictures with two people from the same thing rather than me just walking around alone. Because I realized that when I was Miku, I didn't get many pictures when I was by myself, but when I met up with my friends that were cosplaying as both of the Blades, I got a lot more pictures. Yeah. So, you get more pictures, honestly, when you travel in a group from like the same show. You're more likely to get your picture taken. But if you don't want your picture taken, take this advice and just cosplay by yourself, and or like go in a group and not have like a variety of shows and no one else in your group is from your show. So, that's all I'm saying. Because some people just don't like their photographs taken, and I understand that because I used to be like that. But, well, I am like that with my normal pictures. But when I'm cosplaying, I would love to get my picture taken anytime possible. Because I worked so hard on these cosplays, and I would like to get the pictures. Oh, and my picture is also on the internet from the Vocaloid photo shoot. I was there Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, but I think the photos are only from Saturday when it was the biggest. Yeah, so check those pictures out. I can't really remember the name of the website, but yeah, it's pretty good. Photo shoot. Sorry, I didn't really sleep well last night. Yeah, and let's see what else. Yeah, and I was gonna put a coat hanger through the tail, the inside of the tail, so I can pose it later, cause that would look a lot better. Yeah, new game's coming out November 15th, I believe. 15th or 16th. I think it's the 15th though. That's what I'm betting on. But yeah, it comes out November 15th, I believe, and it is Assassin's Creed Revelations. My brother is pre-ordering it for me because it's like graduation present. So yeah, I'm definitely getting it. You guys, if you enjoy the Assassin's Creed series, definitely get this game because they added new things to the game like ziplining, and you actually get to go to a different place, like Constantinople, and like basically you just get to go other places rather than Rome, because that was like the basis of the game for the rest of the game, because like that was the only place you could go, like places in Rome, but this one you can actually go somewhere else, and I'm really happy about that because I think a change of scenery is good for the series because it's been focusing on Rome for the other three games. Yeah, so yeah, if they want more sales and they just want this to get the most out of this series as possible, they should, in my opinion, I think it's a good decision that they decided to make a new scenery, a new location for the game, because I mean, it's just nice to be in somewhere else. It's pretty much the basis of the whole game for Revelations. Um, so yeah, you pretty much get to be outside of Rome for the whole game, which is amazing. And the graphics are gonna be amazing. The gameplay is gonna be amazing. There's gonna be new things you can do. Like I said, zip lining. You can actually zip line through the between rooftops. Um, and there's other details I can't really remember right now what they are, but there will be new things available when you in this game. And if you pre-order this game, you will get more. You will get an extra level in multiplayer mode. You'll get an outfit. Um, you'll get an extra mission in campaign. I think that's about it, but there might be a little couple things, but that's only if you pre-order it from GameStop. So if you pre-order it from GameStop, you will get those things. That's where my brother's pre-ordering it from. Because you get a lot more stuff from GameStop, and plus I already have a subscription thingy. And yeah, I'm really happy that I made it through the storm. I'm okay. No damage to the house. We're all good. Um, and for my cosplays, Seal Phantom Hive. Comment below if you want me to cosplay him, or if you like what you think I should do, and where to buy the cosplay, like where to get it the cheapest, because I don't really have a lot of money to spend on cosplays. I think the most I can spend on a cosplay is about $100, including the wig and outfit. Maybe 120, I don't know. But I can't really use that much money on the cosplays. So if you can let me know like where to get it the cheapest, that'd be great. Comment below like with like where to buy it, or with a link to the website or something. Because that would really help me a lot if I do cosplay him. For Otakon 2012, 332 days. Hope to see a lot of you there.